Check. I'm here with the Aura farmer of Cincinnati.
Yeah.
All right, so what are we doing today? Today we are exploring the next way we can park our money. So the city, what does this mean? Where have you lived in Cincinnati?
Me?
Yes, come by place. Yes.
I was in Clifton first because I was at UC.
Yes.
And then after Clifton, I would say still relatively around. You know, on the west side, northern Kentucky.
Yeah.
Oakley, Hyde Park. It's just a different part of town. And then because the city is kind of big, you know.
Yeah, it is. You know, it's funny. It's like all this was like it was vacay. All of a sudden, like voila! I should just put on a stick so I can switch back and forth.
And now it's all vacant, you know.
Yeah.
This one is vacant.
That's correct. Hey, tell me a little bit. I know this side of town is the value is I know it's probably already bought up, but I think there's a little bit of a pocket here and there where you can still save up. There's what we call the last resistance. Some people, so you're familiar with West End?
I haven't hung out in West End, but I feel like things are moving north of Liberty, right?
Yes, not for Liberty on this side.
Yeah.
So
now even north of Finley.
North of Finley, yes. Because there's this called a Millionaire Road. You've been in that street before?
Here in the West End?
Yes.
I don't think so.
I'll do it. Yeah, let's drive.
You want to cut the left here at Finley?
Yes. There was a street where there was a kind of a pocket of all the millionaire houses.
Nice.
They call it Millionaire Road. So it's like well-designed houses. I know now you're a pretty sensitive person.
And I don't like motion sickness. So like this building, I know it's for sale.
Oh.
But it's a lot.
Yeah. The one arm and a leg.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, there's this chick I have to meet up, but I need to push this. All right, good. So do you have a philosophy in terms of investing?